Welcome back, everyone. I'm on the same creaky floor vent down below, so you're going to hear it creak a little bit. Sounds like I'm on a ship. We're going to try something different with the audio this time, so hopefully this comes out better. Different mic, and I found a post processor that should allow me to boost it up to match the settings that were in my overdub video. Last video we looked at getting the X-axis belt and stuff set up. I've started making the X-axis carrier. Yeah, see, it's just V groove pulleys. They seem to be alright. I've got my E3D V6 clone, the mount for it. I'm going to revisit the mount part. I know it's causing pressure and holding it, but I don't know if I like how that is. I might expand this just a little bit, like 10% or something, to get a better squish. There's capture nut in there for these long M3 threads go in there, and in the back you can see there's the standoffs and some nuts being used as spacers that go to the belt grip. There's no problem whatsoever. There's a little bit of wiggle because printing this on a Fabricator Mini, the distance from the bed is just sitting there for show. It's just on some foam. From the bottom of this orange piece to the top is actually just a bit too wide for a Fabricator Mini, so I split it through the middle. I'm trying to be smart, and I think what I'm going to have to do is, even though there's some steel in that, there's a slight bow, and there's some steel pins in there. I don't know if I can get a shadow to let you see, but in here there's some 1mm pieces of spring steel. I think I'm going to have to take this off and glue some reinforcing support in on the back. But yeah, that's the print head. Now, there would actually be glass on this, so it's just hovering a bit above the board, and then of course the springs and the mounts that I've showed in a different video would hold this about that height. And yeah, so far, again, just have to work out what I'm going to do for Y. Shouldn't be too hard. And once I get that done, have a go at cutting the glass. But anyhow, it's a very small update. I don't know, I can spin this around. Let's try this. Oop, I want to spin you around. So, bear with me a second. There we go. That's the back. Pretty simple. Anyhow, that's our little late update. Try and get it back around here. I don't want to sit in any of its wires. There we go. Took in a bit of a ride there, sorry about that. Anyhow, so that's an update. One of the things you may have seen before in my other carriage are these little rollers. I may have to work out something to hold them, hold a set of those there to put some counter pressure on that. Even though there's a bow in there, when that gets taken out, there can still be a tiny little bit of wobble. Not much. Not much at all. In fact, you probably can't even see it, and it might be negligible. I'll have to see how much there is on my Fabricator Mini to compare. I think it has almost none, but once I figure that out, I'll probably just glue some more PLA bars in the back of that or something. Anyhow, that's the really tiny update, and then we'll do the audio test after this. So if you have any comments, as always, put them below. If you like this kind of thing, don't forget to like it, thumbs up, whatever. And let's hope the audio works out in this one. And as always, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.